So, check these out. Universal controller and headset stand. Can also hold a phone if you don't have two controllers. Just got mine in. I went for the red, but as you can see in this video, this one's the orange and black. Really pops. Holds all the latest gen controllers, PlayStation 5, Xbox X, S1, you name it, Switch, and it just looks so good. Just sort of, I can't get over how nice they look. And here they are without anything loaded on them. And as you can see, the little man on his controller on the side. It's just such a great design, and they're available now on TikTok Shop. And I believe there's certain discounts if you're quick, but hurry up, stock's going fast.